Then one day he said, Yarushka, I have to find you a nice husband. He said, I have just the man in mind. He's in Ludwigsburg, and I will call him and he can be our accountant here. And guess who arrived? Sasha Moskowitz. And, well, you know, when he arrived, I thought, good looking enough, but he seems so aloof and so standoffish, and so wasn't particularly interested. But then František, my boss, invited us to a party, and I went there with my sister, and Sasha was playing the guitar and singing beautiful songs. That was it. And then at that party, I think that's what sort of started things going, was he asked me if I would teach him English. And I said yes, and we would take walks, and I would teach him English, spoken English, of course. And I guess that brought us together.